Y'all, I'm not a makeup artist. I am a makeup enthusiast that finds peace in playing in makeup. That and I enjoy wine. Turns out I really enjoy wine. Learned that during quarantine. Fun times. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video we're going to be playing with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Copper Charge Eye Palette that is specifically made for, there, I couldn't open it, for blue eyes. This is a limited edition. She came up with 4 different quads available for blue eyes, hazel eyes, green eyes, brown eyes, everything. And during the Sephora VIB sale, I decided to go ahead and pick this up, give it a try. And if you guys are interested in the swatches, the application, and my thoughts, then let's just go ahead and jump right in. But before, disclaimer, this is the Hot Mess Express, where we just 100% embrace it, and it's a judgment and drama free zone. Let's just go ahead and jump into swatches and application. Okay, so here are all of the swatches, and of course we're going to go ahead and get into the application process. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I did prime my eyes with my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base. This is my go-to. I do apply this all over the lid, and then I do take it down a little bit underneath to help with any wrinkles and crinkles and all of that. So I'm kind of gonna do what I saw Charlotte Tilbury do when she did like a 20-some-year-old model, but we're going to revamp it to work for 40-year-old eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go in with this shade right here to apply this on my lid. I'm gonna just go ahead and apply it all over my lid, and I am gonna use my GEEK Worker Pro. It's a real pretty sheen. It's not like insanely shimmery or anything like so. Next, she jumped into this really pretty copper shade, and she actually put this a little bit in the crease. And I am going to use my GEEK, this is a Crease Pro. Now I typically would not do this type of like shimmer sheen to the crease area, but we're gonna see. Charlotte Tilbury did. So what I'm going to do is just real lightly, I packed it on, and then I'm real lightly kind of going to do like a windshield wiper motion. I do have slightly hooded eyes and of course mature lids, so I actually think I'm going to take a little bit of that shade and pop it underneath just a little bit, not all the way over, but about halfway. And I haven't totally connected them just yet. That's really pretty. That is so smooth. You guys know I do enjoy Charlotte Tilbury's formula. It's a really pretty formula. And surprisingly enough, I don't feel like it's accentuating my slightly hooded eyes or the fact that they're, you know, 41 years old, almost 42. She just has a beautiful formula. And I will say it's so smooth that I don't feel like I necessarily have to do that packing motion with these that you guys know that I do quite often. Normally it's a pat pat dab dab, and on this side I'm just kind of going right in, and I don't feel like I necessarily have to do that, which is really nice. It's just such a smooth, creamy formula. Okay, so next I am going to go in with the matte shade. There's only one matte in this quad, and I am going to go in with this. It's a really pretty, like, coppery, obviously, terracotta shade. And I am going to focus that in the outer V portion of my eye. And again, I'm sorry, this is the GEEK Worker Pro brush that I'm using. And I am going to put a little in the outer corner, underneath the eye, like so. And drag a little bit into the crease and over. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with the last shade right here, which is like this. And I'm just going to plop that right into the center. And then I think what I'm going to do is put a little bit of that, this could totally go wrong, but whatever, right underneath the eye to the inner corner and work it halfway. Okay, I'm gonna hop off, do my liner and my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I am back with my mascara and my eyeliner. Just to go over it real quick, what I have in my waterline is my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Liner in the shade Starfire. And this is the Sorbet Treatment Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Dark Brown SE02. That is in my tight line. As far as my whole gamut of different mascaras, I always prime my lashes with my L'Oreal Voluminous Base. This is like all of $8.99. Then I do have my Wonder Beauty Mile High Club Mascara, and then the Tarte Big Ego mascara. Y'all, when I first received this, I was not like a huge fan, but it was one of those mascaras that as it's dried up, I love it, and I find myself really reaching for it. It's like it grips my lashes more. Okay, that's not what this video is about. Let me pop up and give you guys a final look of the eye look we created. Okay guys, so here is the finished look, and what do you guys think? Do you feel like the blue eyes are popping a little bit more than normal? Okay, so before I give you guys my final thoughts, I do want to give you guys information regarding this palette, and I will tell you guys, I picked it up. If you guys didn't see, I already have a video up of my Sephora haul. I did do a few different orders because I had some gift cards and everything. You guys did see this palette in that first haul, and I will, you know, like I said in the haul, I was really excited to try out this particular palette. You guys know I do love Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow formula and a lot of her line of everything, whether it's the Hollywood Flawless Filter, Radiance, or the powders, whatever it may be. I just truly enjoy Charlotte Tilbury. It is a luxury brand, so you are paying for it, and that's why I was really excited to be able to pick this up during the VIB sale and get the 20% off. This little palette is $53, and again, I did pick it up while on sale, and I have to say, her formula is just so smooth. It just kind of glides on, and I do have textured lids, I do have mature lids, and I do have a slightly hooded lid, so when it comes down to it, it's not like the best to put a luxury eyeshadow on and assume you're gonna get this beautiful flawless look. But I have to say, I'm really happy with it. Like I said, this shade right here, she actually puts in the crease, and I did that and I thought that it turned out really pretty. I don't feel like it accentuates anything. So I think when it came down to am I happy with this purchase, I absolutely am. And I kind of tried to follow the tutorial that she had done, and I definitely want to apply this matte shade all over my lid and then put this shimmer shade in the crease and see how that, I think that that would just be a beautiful look, especially with the summertime rolling around. I just think that would be absolutely gorgeous. So I know me, and I know I will be probably coming back and doing multiple looks with this palette for you guys. What I found to be really interesting is she curated these little palettes per your eye shade. So, you know, this Copper Charge palette is really for the blue-eyed beauties out there. And then she does offer the Mesmerizing Maroon Quad, and this is rich amethyst, deep plum, and mauve shades. And then there is the Super Blue with champagne gold, rich navy, and radiant blue shades, which I think all of these quads honestly are very gorgeous. And then last is the Green Lights, which is golden olive and khaki. So they are directed towards blue, green, brown, and hazel eyes. And like I said, they do have a retail value of $53, but I did pick it up with the 20% off. Guys, this is a limited edition palette. If you guys are interested, it is still available at Sephora site. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this video up as soon as I wanted, so I know that the sale is already over, but I thought it would be fun to play around with this palette, give you guys my thoughts and all of that as far as that goes. So my children are bebopping in, so I'm gonna hop off for now, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs thumbs up. I hope you decide to stick around and subscribe and become part of the Hot Mess Express family, where we always embrace the hot mess. No matter who you are, we love ya, and it is a judgment and drama-free zone. Y'all, I'm not a makeup artist. I am a makeup enthusiast that finds peace in playing in makeup. That, and I enjoy wine. Turns out I really enjoy wine. Learned that during quarantine. Fun times. Anyways, guys, until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah. Bye.